Hi everybody. So today was one of those days. You know, it's Monday and the cupboards are kind of bare and everything I have was basically still in the freezer. So my quick cooker here to the rescue. I took some ingredients and basically just threw them all in here, and I don't know, let's see what happens. So what I had done was, if you've been following me, you see how I freeze my ground beef. I put it in 1 pound Ziploc bags and I roll it out flat. So I was able to basically take that out of the freezer and break it into 4 so I could put it on the bottom of the quick cooker. And then I took a can, a 28-ounce can. I'll put the exact recipe, like instructions, what I did, in the comments below. But to be honest, I kind of used an Instapot spaghetti recipe as a guideline, and just kind of threw the ingredients in here, what I had. So I just let the steam come out, and because that recipe that I was using as a guideline said to brown the meat first, well, my meat was frozen, so I couldn't do that. So I put it in frozen. So it said to set it for 8 minutes, so I set it for 12 minutes. Hopefully that was enough. So what I've got going on here is spaghetti in the quick cooker, and this is a super duper easy recipe, especially when you plan ahead. But I wanted to show you guys what happens when you don't plan ahead. So I put my frozen ground beef in here, 28-ounce can of petite tomatoes, 4 cups of chicken stock. I used fettuccine noodles because that's what I had. I didn't have spaghetti noodles. And I broke them in half, and you want to place them on top and like crisscross them, you know, because they'll cook better. So they tend to, they hopefully didn't stick. We'll see. I'll open this in front of you all so you can see what happened inside the pot. But then I used a cap full of our Italian seasoning, a cap full of our garlic rub, and a cap full of our 3 onion rub, because like I said, I used just plain petite tomato can of tomatoes because I didn't have tomato sauce to use, so I needed to add some spice in there. You could actually put a little bit of red pepper flake in there too to give it a little zing if you like heat. I should have done that. We like a little bit of heat, but I forgot. So, all right, so let's see what's going on inside the pot here. So I cooked it for 12 minutes and put the pasta in here raw. I'm gonna try and bring the camera over so you can see what's going on inside the pot here. So there we go. And as you can see, like, the noodles are cooked, and so is the meat, but it's still kind of, it's in the frozen block, so I gotta kind of break that apart. So it's kind of like a, yeah, spaghetti bolognese. I think what I'm gonna do, because it's a little runny, or maybe not quite runny, but it's a little saucy. A little too much sauce. Let's get this on the thicker side. So I'm gonna break the meat up. Did you see what's going on inside there? Yeah. So I'm gonna break the meat up, push this back all in here, and then I'm gonna turn the pot on its saute function and let some of the water cook out. And if I have to, I'll do a what's it called? A cornstarch, yeah, that's it. A cornstarch slurry to kind of get the sauce a little bit thicker, if need be, because it's quite on the thin side. But as you can see, the pasta is all cooked, and it smells delicious. Actually, the combination of spices I use. So I wanted to share this with you because literally threw this all in the pot and dinner was done. I mean, frozen meat and all, and dinner's done in about a half hour. So I'll share pictures of the end result as well. But I am going to turn this on its sear function, hit start so I can get rid of cook some of this liquid out and thicken up the sauce a little bit and enjoy dinner. Of course, break up the beef some more too. So if you don't have one of these in your kitchen yet, you may want to pick one up. It is really a time saver, and it is a dinner rescue as well, especially when, like me today, didn't have a plan. Everything was frozen, but I was still able to get it together all in the quick cooker here. So spaghetti's on the menu tonight. Thanks for watching, friends.